Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a piano tutorial of Sounds from the Gumdrop Factory from Level 2B Piano Adventures. So this is on page 9. So this is a fun little song. It's just one page. This has an ostinato left hand pattern that we're going to be doing. Staccato, back and forth between low C and bass G. And so then the tricky part too is that your right hand has some notes that aren't staccato, that are half notes that we would hold. So your left hand's playing short notes, but your right hand has to hold a note, which can be a little tricky coordination wise. But yeah, just take your time on that. Yeah, you want to try to see if you can. And then they have some notes that are also staccato as well. So yeah, there's a ritardando at the end. Yeah, slow down a little bit on the last part. But yeah, let me go ahead and play it for you. And if there's anything else I think of afterwards, I'll try to add it in there. But yeah, there's not too much besides that. I think they say metronome quarter note equals 80. So that's one you can try to do it with the metronome as well. So it's not supposed to be too fast. Yeah, medium kind of is a moderately. All right, well, here it is. All right. So yeah, fun little song. A lot of students will like to come back and play this song even when they're further in the book. You know, just a fun one to come back to. On the third line, I forgot to talk about how you're doing this this little so that can be a little tricky. They say bounce loosely from the wrist, so that's a good that is actually really nice that they put that there, because if you keep a loose wrist, you can kind of do it, but yeah, if you're a little too firm, it can be. But you just keep that same chord, 1, 3, 5, and then just stepping down with it. Yeah, but go slow first. If you're having trouble. But yeah. So yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I think this one's kind of short, so this will be a little shorter video. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else that I missed about this song that would help. And let me know too if there are any other songs that as well that you'd like me to go through. I was kind of just flipping around to different ones. So yeah, this one I just remembered today would be fun to do. All right. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a good one. Bye.